In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or block location access on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up your browser and select the menu icon up at the top right. Go down and select Settings. On the left panel now, select Privacy and Security. And on the right side, go to the bottom of this list and select Site Settings. Where it says Permissions under Location, go ahead and select that and select Don't Allow Sites to see your location, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.